We are going to make a powerful liquid fertilizer that works fast. So fast that your plants will start showing results in just a few days, not weeks. This homemade liquid fertilizer will not only feed your plants, but also help your soil become rich and alive again. It will increase beneficial microbes by millions, improving soil fertility and plant health together. The best part is that it's made with just a few simple, natural ingredients and will be ready to use within 24 hours. The first ingredient we need is charcoal. Charcoal has a hidden superpower for plants, but before we use it, we must crush it into smaller pieces. The smaller the particles, the more surface area they have. This means more space for nutrients and microbes to attach themselves. When charcoal is crushed properly, it becomes more porous, like a sponge. These tiny holes and surfaces can trap air, moisture, and nutrients, making it a perfect home for beneficial soil microorganisms. Now, we are going to activate this crushed charcoal and turn it into something known as biochar. Biochar is an ancient soil amendment known to improve soil fertility, water retention, and microbial life. It works like a permanent soil sponge, holding nutrients so that plants can access them slowly over time instead of them being washed away. Biochar also helps the soil stay aerated, meaning roots get more oxygen. It improves the overall structure of the soil, prevents compaction, and encourages deeper root growth. Another great thing about biochar is that it can trap carbon in the soil for hundreds of years, making it eco-friendly and helping reduce greenhouse gases. Once our charcoal is crushed, the next step is to put it into 5-liter plastic bottles. These bottles will act as small fermentation chambers where the magic happens. After that, we'll add fully decomposed manure into each bottle. This manure will introduce living microbes to the mixture. It's like adding a starter culture when making yogurt. We will add non-chlorinated water. Chlorine kills microbes, so we don't want that. Rainwater is perfect if you have it because it's natural and full of beneficial elements. The water will allow microbial life to spread easily and help dissolve the other ingredients we'll add later. Next, we'll add molasses to the bottles. Molasses is a sweet, thick syrup that acts as a food source for microbes. Just like humans need food to grow and reproduce, microbes need sugar, and molasses provides that energy boost. When you add molasses, it triggers rapid microbial activity. The bacteria and fungi start multiplying fast, creating a thriving colony inside the bottle. This step is what turns ordinary charcoal into biochar full of life. The microbes from the manure are beneficial and will quickly begin to populate the water and charcoal. They will start feeding on the molasses, multiplying in huge numbers. The charcoal becomes their home, providing them with a stable surface to live on and protect them from sunlight and drying out. Once all ingredients are in, we'll mix everything well and close the bottle with a cap. But make sure to make a small hole in the cap. This step is important because as the microbes eat and multiply, they produce gases like carbon dioxide. The small hole allows these gases to escape, preventing pressure buildup and letting oxygen flow. Oxygen helps aerobic microbes grow stronger and more active. Give the bottle a good shake to make sure everything is well mixed and that microbes are spread evenly. During this time, the microbes from the manure will feed on the molasses and multiply quickly. The charcoal will act like a hotel, providing millions of small spaces for them to live in. This process transforms ordinary crushed charcoal into biochar, alive with microbial life. When you open the bottle after 24 hours, you'll notice a slightly earthy, sweet smell. That's a sign your liquid is active and ready. Next, we take a bucket of water and pour 1 bottle of this mixture into it. This step is important because the concentrated mixture inside the bottle is too strong to apply directly to plants. By diluting it with water, we make it gentle and easy for plants to absorb without burning their roots. The water helps distribute the microbes evenly throughout the soil when applied. It also ensures the nutrients can reach the root zone faster. When we give this liquid fertilizer to our plants, something amazing happens. The microbes start working immediately. They break down organic matter, release nutrients, and make them available to plant roots. The biochar in the mixture keeps those nutrients from washing away and holds them close to where the roots can reach. Your plants will respond with greener leaves, stronger stems, and more flowers. Pouring this liquid on top of your newly made garden beds also has many benefits. It enriches the soil with beneficial microbes, improving soil texture and fertility. It helps the soil retain moisture, reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, and promotes long-term soil health. The microbes continue living in the soil, building a balanced ecosystem where plants can thrive naturally. In just 1 day, you create a living liquid that feeds your plants and your soil. It's fast, natural, and powerful. Your plants will not only grow better, they'll grow happier. And every drop of this homemade fertilizer will bring your soil back to life, 1 microbe at a time.